Hello guys, welcome you all for this end-to-end session of AIML where you guys gonna learn everything that you guys need in order to become a successful data scientist. Hope you guys are enjoying. We are enjoying and we are learning a lot each and every day. Hope the same thing for you guys. So yeah, before going for this session, please make sure that you guys watch all the previous session videos so that you can have a better understanding of what we are talking. Okay. And one more thing, guys. Till this point, if you guys, any one of you guys doesn't subscribe to our channel, please subscribe to our channel because like every day we're gonna post a new video so that if you subscribe you get a notification whenever we are just uploading a new video. Subscribe and press the bell icon. Okay. And also as sir is mentioning in every session, like we are having n number of quizzes in our YouTube channel. Okay, try to attend it. Okay, so yeah guys, without wasting any time, let us jump into today's session. Today's session is all about evaluation of association rules. Okay, rule mining algorithms. I hope like in order to understand today's session, you guys need to have an understanding of all the previous five sessions so that I think four plus sessions. Okay, so all the sessions so that you can able to understand. Okay, these are the evaluation metrics that we can do. Okay, for the association rule. Okay, because like I think 4 days before we have introduced you what is association rule. Then we have seen about what are the different terminologies in association rule. Then two different algorithms. One is a priori and then like FP growth. Okay, these are two algorithms that we have mentioned. Okay, so today we're gonna see how to evaluate this kind of association rules. Okay, major thing. Okay, why we need evaluation, guys? We doesn't know how our model is working, right? We can train our model, and we doesn't know this is accuracy that it is predicting without having the evaluation metrics in place. Okay, so what we gonna do means we gonna now see a thing that is model evaluation metrics for association rules. Okay, now let's see one by one. Association rule mining is a powerful technique for discovering hidden patterns in a larger dataset. To evaluate the quality and interestingness of mined rules, a variety of evaluation metrics have been developed. These metrics provides insights into strength, significance, and usefulness of the discovered rules. Okay, so the what is the result of any association rule, guys? Just ping in the comment section. What is the result of any association rule? Let me give a minute. Okay, I hope like if you guys are watching our video for the past 2 to 3 days, you guys can easily able to understand. Okay, what is the input and what is the output? Just say me. Okay, let me say our input will be set of items and our output will be simply association rules. Today we're gonna qualify the association rule how it is accurate. Okay, that is what today's session. Okay, so yeah sir, over to you.
Guys, we have to model evaluation metrics for model evaluation metrics for association rule mining. So association rule mining is a powerful technique for discovering hidden patterns in large data set. To evaluate the quality and the inconsistent uh, interlineness of the mind rules. So, a variety of evaluation metrics have been developed. These metrics provide insights into strengthen, significance, and usefulness of the discovered rules. So, we'll go into deep into understanding the model evaluation metrics for association rule mining. So, let's go to the other section.
Okay, okay, again we're gonna introduce you with the association, guys. I hope like it will be a repetitive for you. Okay, right? Because like whoever the guys who have watched all the previous four sessions, then you guys can easily understand these things. Okay, let yeah guys, let me introduce you again to the association rule mining. Okay, before that I will just share my screen. Okay, wait a minute guys. Okay, yeah, yeah, sir, let me know confirmation, like is my screen is visible, sir?
Yes, yes.
Perfect. Yeah, we are just discussing about association rule mining because like Guys, if you guys watched all the previous four sessions, then it is very easy for you. Okay, let me discuss again with you. Identifying relationship. Association rule mining aims to uncover the hidden relationship and patterns within the data set. It's true, right? How the two items are related to each other. That is what association rule. Okay. If antecedent, that is what the consequent. I'm gonna buy a milk, then there is a high possibility that I can buy a biscuit. Okay, without biscuit, I cannot drink milk, right? Those kind of association we will be finding. Then market basket analysis. A common application is to analyze customer purchasing behavior and identify patterns products. Okay, that are frequently bought together. Okay, if I'm gonna buy the milk, I'm gonna buy the biscuit. If I'm gonna buy a bread, I'm gonna buy a jam. So this kind of association we can able to easily relate, right? So yeah, this is what everything. Okay, about this market basket analysis, and we have discussed it's a classic problem, right? I hope like sir also mentioned multiple times about it. Okay, so whenever there is association rule, just think of it that we are having market basket analysis as a classic problem. Okay, then recommendation system. The discovered rules can be used to power recommendation engines that suggest related products or services, right? So we will be having association rules. Once we have built an association rule, using that we can create a recommendation system. Yeah, if there is a milk product, just get the biscuit closer to it so that the person who are buying the milk they can buy the biscuit. Similarly, if there is something like bread, make the jam closer to it so that the person who are buying the bread they can buy the jam. Okay, so yeah, these are some things we have introduced you again to the association rule mining. So let's take up from here, so that because like we're gonna evaluate our model, right? We need to have a perfect understanding of what is association rule, so that only we have introduced you again to the association rule. Yes sir, over to you. Yeah, hope that hope you guys are able to understand, right? So this is what association rule mining. Okay, let's do one thing. Let us move to the next thing, because like we have introduced you what how we gonna evaluate. Okay, sorry, what is evaluation metrics of association rule. Now we have introduced you what is association rule. Now let's see what are the things that we are having. Yeah, support and confidence measures. Guys, I hope like this is also already understandable and known by the person or people who have watched all our previous session videos. Let's see what is this association rule. Okay, association rules, support and confidence measure. What is support? Support of the rule measures the frequency of item set occurring in the data set. Simple. Let's have trend transaction. Transaction means we are buying the product. Like sir is buying the product, me buying the product, you guys buying the product. Three transaction, right? How many times bread occurs? Whether we both, all three of them bought the bread, two of them bought the bread, or one of them brought the bread. That is called as support. Confidence. Confidence indicating the strength of implication or likelihood of consequent given the antecedent. Let's make the thing simpler. We all are buy the milk, okay, and sir is buy the biscuit. Sir bought the biscuit, I bought the biscuit, and you guys bought the jam. What is the confidence of buying the biscuit such that we buy the milk? That is two times we buy biscuit when the milk is three times, two by three, right? This is what called as confidence. How much confidence we can buy the second product when we buy the first product. That is what confidence. Okay. Now next, interpretations. These metrics provides insights into the prevalence and reliability of discovered association rules. Okay, so using this support and confidence, we will be having something called as item set. From that, we will be deriving something called as association rule, which makes us helps us to create the recommendation system. So these everything called as metrics or measures, which makes these rules very elegant and easier for us to understand. Okay, I hope like you guys are able to understand. Okay, because we have just discussed a simple thing. Support is like a how much times, how much repetition items occurs in a transaction, each transaction. Confidence is something like a product A is bought, what is the likelihood of product B is bought. Interpretation is how we can interpret the rule, like if antecedent then consequent, like that. Okay, hope you guys can able to understand. Okay, let's move on to the next slide. Okay, yeah, then we are having some more measures, guys. Lift, then conviction measures. Let's see what it is. Lift. Lift measures the degree of association between the antecedent and consequent, indicating how much the presence of antecedent increases the chance of consequent. Simple. Okay. Yeah. I'm buying a milk. Then what is the percentage or a chance of buying the biscuit? That is called as lift. Conviction. Let's see what is conviction. Conviction measures the degree of implication, representing the strength of the rule in the absence of antecedent. Okay. Let's consider. We are creating a rule, right? If antecedent then consequent, how much the consequent works even though there is no antecedent, that is called as conviction. Then let's consider the significance of what are the measures that we have learned now. These measures helps evaluate the significance and intersections of the discovered association tools. Guys, putting in a simple way, we have seen four things: support, confidence, lift, conviction. Everything works in a similar manner, right? And these things makes to evaluate the association rule, whatever we are having, okay, which will build the uh, recommendation system, top of which we will build the recommendation system. Okay, what is support, guys? It says occurrence of items in the transactions, all the transactions that we are having. Then what is confidence? It's the item B such that the item A is bought. What is the number of times the item B is bought such that the A is already bought? Then what is meant by something called as lift? It is simple thing. It is used to find the relationship between antecedent and consequent such that how much the presence of antecedent leads to the presence of consequent, that increase the presence of consequent. Finally, we have seen the conviction, that is how much the rule can effectively work even though there is an absence of this antecedent. Okay, hope you guys can able to understand, guys. Let me put it in the simple way. These measures helps us to understand whatever the association rule that we are having, right? Whether it works perfectly or whether we got the association rule properly or not. Okay, so even though if you guys have any doubt, just ping in the comment section, we will take up and we will solve your doubts. Okay, so we will pass here, guys. Actually, we have discussed lots of things today, like different terms and terminologies how to evaluate the association rule. Let's pass today, and we will continue the remaining thing in the next session. So yeah, guys, this is all about how we can measure the association rule by using these four metrics that we have having: support, confidence, lift, and conviction. Okay, so hope you guys have understand. So if you have any doubts till now, just ping in the comment section. We'll take up and we will solve your doubts. So until next session, bye guys. Take care, and we will all meet in the next session. Bye.